Food.
How many kilos of...
Wala nang sibuyas.
It's not your responsibility to answer the question how.
Yeah.
It's not for you to answer the question how. It's not your headache.
Just saying that I want to hihinga lang ako. Because some situations are suffocating you.
Alright. Then the alarm when it comes, it's gonna say, I'm strong, I'm enough,
I'm good.
I'm brave, I'm a champion,
I'm grateful for what I have.
I'm grateful for this, I was born for this. Things happening is smaller than me.
What comes to your mind when you close your eyes?
I see diapers.
Diapers?
Baby crying.
Second comes to my mind.
And
What?
It's a kid, you know.
And
It's a
then-
kid waving to me. And then
And
I'm
then-
happy, then I will cry, and then I
it's time,
hug
bro.
the
It's time
kid.
to shine.
What do you see in your mind?
Family.
What do you see yourself in 5 years?
5 years from now, I have own family and own house.
How's your GF right now?
I don't have.
Hindi mo lang sinasabi sa amin eh. Meron ka lang din.
Do you have boyfriend?
No, GF.
Oh, Beshi! Kasama ka to.
What do you see?
Properties. Wealth. Properties. Wealth. Business. Yeah, I see property. I see wealth. I see business. Properties. Real estate business.
And girls.
And settling down. Yeah. Settling down like marriage.
Girls.
Not girls.
How many girls? How many girls?
Settling down. 100%. Like marriage.
What do you guys want to eat?
It's like
I feel
pagmamahal na sa opposite sex na you're longing for girlfriend.
Salamin.
Bayaw! Babaero ka talaga!
Pare.
Gago ka pare!
Pare. Tropa tayo.
Tropa to!
Ano mas tugaw, pare?
Maybe it's not detected or something. Alright, for tomorrow, I think I'm gonna meet Simon again tomorrow because of Rizal, my meeting at Rizal. So
Million? Go million? Go million?
Go million! Go, go, go! Woo! Yes!
Oh yeah! Ooh, yeah! Round one!
Eh muna million! Eh! Hanggat ba? Yala! Sheesh!
saan yung Junage? Saan yung outlet niya? Oh, sorry.
Kamein mo! Ito, napalang pa ako.
Paano kung walang tao sa bahay na bumiyay ako na malayo?
Patay.
Bakit ganito yung settings? Ay, yan na yun, di ba?
Oo, sir.
Tagal mo na, madali. Magnanakaw.
Nadamay lang ako.
Magaling si Kuya. Paano mo ginawa yun?
Alam niya kung paano tanggalin eh. Alam mo na kung ano ba yun?
Sa mga maintenance o door now?
Wait lang. Magnanakaw.
Magnanakaw ka ha?
Magnanakaw.
Parang nahiya ka ha?
Magnanakaw.
Go inside, let's go. Saan yung Junage? Ah, saan?
Swimming.
Nabara. Everything it's on my brain. I know everything. When I listen to it, I know. So this came from somewhere. It's copyright.
Imbis na magalo to, magalo-lo. Bossing, kamusta ang buhay mo ha?
Money loves speed. Poverty, poor loves slow. When you see people that are slow, they don't take actions or they're just slow in everything they do, it goes to poor. When you see people that are fast, it's speed.